What's up, guys and girls? Today is really exciting. It is time to introduce a new car to the channel. Here is my new old 1981 Toyota Corolla Ke70. I've had a couple of these over the years. Most memorably is my SR20 powered drift car, which I had for over 10 years, but I am super pumped to be behind the wheel of one of these on the street. Honestly, the car's surprisingly straight for one of these compared to a lot of them on the road, given that it all looks pretty well original. Obviously got some damage on this guard, gonna have to fix up, but that shouldn't be too bad. Got a bit of rust on the back around here, but I've already spoken to a mate. We're gonna be fixing that up very shortly. Cooper likes the car already. So it's actually got a fully retrimmed dash cover, which at first I thought was a bit tacky, but to be honest, the more I look at it, it's actually like really nicely done, really well stitched. It's just a bit faded, obviously from, I think it's been done for about 10 years, so we might vinyl dye it, but I think it's pretty cool. Not 100% sold on the gauge cluster that someone's made for it, but we've got a tacho cluster to go in it. The only annoying thing is I'm 99% sure, based on the wiring diagrams that came in the car, that behind all here has all been cut and modified, so not entirely sure how much work is going to be involved in fixing that. As you probably noticed from the badge on the back, but it is a 5-speed manual. This steering wheel obviously has to go. I've already sorted with my mate Daniel Ridley, who some of you might be familiar with from the Battle Royale series and Keep a Read events. He's got an old 90 Classic, so yeah, keen to get that off him and replace this thing. Got the hectic double speakers in the doors, yeah bud. They work rubbish, but yeah, someone's actually gone to some effort. I think this has all been retrimmed. This is not factory from anything I've seen. It's kind of nice, so might just replace these speakers and head unit. It's all been cut in quite nicely. Now I've already, of course, went shopping, so had to get some paint mixed up at Autobarn. Just because we're doing the rust repairs on the back, we need some touch-up paint that's just got to be pretty close. But while I was there, of course, you know, it takes 20 minutes to get them mixed up. Just bought some cheap gauges, knowing we're getting rid of this cluster. So this has oil pressure, volts, proper water temp and all that. Although the fuel level is very much not accurate, as I found out when I ran out of fuel the other day. Anyway, hopefully we get the other tacho dashboard ink in there. And I picked up this, which, because it looks like I'm going to be able to mount that with some trimmings right in here. So keen for that, and that's got voltage, oil pressure and water temp. So that will be one of the things we'll be doing shortly. Got to get a new, whatever you call that, little pocket, dash pocket, and get rid of those ugly ass Isotta pedals. We're getting to the good bits now. What mammoth of beast is under here, mate? Ooh. Hot damn. You'll be forgiven for thinking that that's a factory motor. Might be very similar, but it's actually a 5K, so it has got a 1.5 litre. They come in forklifts and in light aces, I'm pretty sure, or town aces, I forget. We got pretty damn lucky on this one. I've got receipts and everything, which, to be honest, I didn't know even before I bought the car. We found out afterwards. But this thing is fully rebuilt. It has got a mild cam, oversized pistons, slightly higher compression ratio. We've already got extractors, little pea shooter things. That was always funny how tiny everything is in this car and motor. But yeah, so it's had a hell of a lot of work done to it and maintenance over the years. It runs damn good. The main thing I think letting it down is it does still have a stock carb, so keen to change that up, mainly for the dorts, you know. I've got to get that induction noise. So yeah, this is going to be the new daily. It's been so long since you had I've driven an old school car where you still got the choke when it's cold. Fire this beast up. Purrs. Someone went to a lot of effort on this gauge cluster, actually. There is literally receipts for bloody everything here, so it would not surprise me. A professional auto elect would have done this for someone. It's not like a home job or anything. as you can see with everything really. Someone really liked this car and spent a fair bit of money on it. I'm really actually happy with this, so I reckon I'll dye that dark grey, or maybe we'll find a brown. Not really 100% on that. Someone's moulded in bits for tweeters into the A-pillars. All done really well. Obviously there's no tweeters in there now anyway. Got me a little Bluetooth adapter for music and stuff at the moment, but we'll probably get around to putting a better head unit in it and speakers at some point. But who needs a working radio when you've got that 5K raw, mate? So yeah, she does sound alright. She's got a pretty good exhaust on it. Squeaky clutch pedal. I definitely got to fix that soon. I couldn't wait and almost immediately had to go throw on a set of wheels I've had lying around for the other Ke70. They're a set of Work Equip negatives, very similar to the Work Equip O2s, in a 14x6.5 front and 14x7 in the rear. And obviously we have to go take a few nice shots of the car now, don't we? So she's looking a little bit better, a little bit more to my taste. Needs to be slammed as hell, of course, but we'll get there. Keen as to make some progress with this car pretty quick, so subscribe if you want, and I'll try and put everything updated in the videos next time.